No, you're right. There are some dense fog advisories out to our south, and you can see these on our radar this morning. These gray boxes that just jump out at the very end of this frame across much of central Mississippi. And this is generally along that stationary front that's across the state. Showers starting to develop just to the south of Jackson, pushing in from the south to the north, and later today we'll start to see some showers moving in here in the Delta. Again, we do have that dense fog advisory in effect for portions of our viewing area. Other than that, not too bad of a morning commute, but if you do run into some fog, remember, use those low beams. And again, this dense fog advisory in effect for Montgomery, Attala, Holmes, Yazoo County, as well as Carroll, Issaquena, Sharkey, Humphreys, and Yazoo, like I just mentioned, and all of these points southbound into Jackson, Canton, Philadelphia, and Louisville. So if you're traveling out, keep that in mind. The heaviest fog concentration is now from Canton down into the Jackson metro area, where visibilities are under 1/2 mile, also across southern Yazoo County. So just keep that in mind if you're heading out, especially to portions of the South Delta today. You may run into some issues, and you can see where that stationary front is located this morning, generally right along I-55 and I-20, point southward in the 50s, and then you head north, we're generally in the 40s. So a cool start here in the Delta, so be sure to grab that jacket heading out. But that front is going to try to sag to the north later today, bringing in some warmer air into the 60s by this afternoon. Showers will begin to develop, and by around midnight Tuesday, we're going to have some pretty good coverage of rain, and again, some storms could be severe this evening into the overnight hours, and that will continue to be widespread during Tuesday morning. You can see all this rain activity from Greenville to Greenwood down to Yazoo City continuing through much of Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. We see a little bit of break in the action, but it's just going to be wave after wave of rain as the stationary front is kind of just going to bounce back and forth over the next couple of days. There's going to be a lot of instability in the air, a lot of moisture, and a lot of warmth for this time of year. So not expecting widespread severe weather, but a lot of rain this week, and through Wednesday we could see 1 to 3 inches of rain, which could aggravate some river flooding as well as low-lying areas. We could see some issues as well. And we do have that marginal severe threat, level 1 out of 5 for the entire viewing area, southeastern Arkansas and northern Louisiana along the I-20 corridor today. And again, we could see some isolated severe storms through tomorrow evening. And basically what this means is, it's a level 1 out of 5, not like the level 4 out of 5 we saw on Saturday, but still there is the chance for some isolated severe storms, damaging wind gusts, and quarter-size hail. So just be weather aware and have a way to receive alerts in case there is a severe warning issued for your area. Now, taking a look at the Yazoo River level, going to gradually fall to around 28.4 feet between now and Saturday, but the Mississippi River is on our radar right now because it's expected to rise to 45.2 feet between now and Saturday. And there is a flood warning that has been issued for the river from Arkansas City all the way down to Natchez until Monday, January 27th, which is 2 weeks away. And the river here in Greenville expected to rise to 49.5 feet between now and Saturday, January 25th. And remember, Upper Lake Ferguson Road and Warfield Point Park closes at 50 feet. So we're going to be closing in on that. So keep that in mind and be sure to continue to monitor this through the next several weeks. And again, Mississippi River at Arkansas City also expected to rise above the flood stage of 37 feet on Tuesday, January 21st. I know a lot of people up there use that portion of the river for fishing and different activities, so just keep that in mind. And these flood warnings in effect for not only here in Greenville, but Arkansas City, Vicksburg, and all the way down to Natchez. And this goes through Monday, January 27th. And again, that could be extended just depending on how much rain and what all happens over the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. And again, today, 61, plenty of rain and afternoon thunderstorms, widespread storms tonight. A few of those may be severe, lows around 57. And then tomorrow, temperatures really going to jump well above average, reaching 66 degrees. Scattered showers. Again, we'll have that outside threat for a few severe storms. It's going to remain mostly cloudy and mild in the next 7 days. It looks like we're just going to see day after day of rain, but hopefully by this weekend it does look like we're going to see a little bit of clearing, as well as temperatures cooling back to about where they should be this time of year.